Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front caster wheel axle in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a hacksaw, a power drill with a drill bit just a bit larger than your cotter pin, a punch, a hammer, and a pair of side cutters, and the wise grips. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new front caster wheel axle. The front caster wheel axle holds the front wheel in place, allowing the fridge to be rolled in and out easily. A worn-out front caster wheel axle may cause the wheel to jam, making it hard to roll the fridge. In that case, it has to be replaced. To get to the part, we need to lift the side of the fridge and install the support underneath it. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Okay, so this is the axle that we need to replace. Unfortunately, the only way of taking it out is to cut it with the hacksaw because that end is bent. It's squeezed, so it would not come out. Okay, so placing hacksaw and start cutting. Okay. I'm going to remove this one out. See what I meant when I said that the opposite end is squeezed? This is the old front caster wheel axle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can see on the old axle, this end was squeezed at the factory by heavy machinery. We don't have this thing here, and probably you don't also. So what we do, we're going to drill the hole here and put a cotter pin through. We need to drill the hole approximately 1/4 inch away from the end of the pin. See that because there's a solid metal starch there. So we're going to use the wise grips. I'm going to tighten it. And then we're going to use the punch and the hammer to mark the spot. So it's going to be easier for us to drill the hole. And now we're going to use the power drill with a drill bit just a bit larger than the cotter pin. Let's check if it's going to go through. Perfect. Now we can install a new axle into the wheel. Put it through. And next would be the cotter pin. Right. I'm going to use side cutters to spread 2 halves of the cotter pin. And we're gonna
cut the extras off. All right, now we're gonna tilt the fridge a little more and remove the support blocks. Now we can lower the fridge down.
Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.